What's going on, BHV? Today we were out here at Professor Hacker's Dinosaur Canyon Adventure Golf in Branson, Missouri. In today's video, we're playing the Raptor Course. So let us know, are you Team Elisha? Are you Team Brooks? Who do you think's gonna win? Drop a like though if you're excited. Subscribe if you're new. The Raptors are Elisha's favorite dinosaur, so we're just putting that out there at the beginning. Let's get started. We're going a little bit lighter. Cool. Nice, good start. Oh no. I got so close the first time. Okay, hole 2. So you can put it through the log. The hole is right behind it, so it could give you a hole-in-one potential. I'm trying to go really light into it.
Did it go in?
It did go in.
Oh.
I wanted to go light, so if it was going too fast, or it wouldn't be going too fast to catch it, but. Nice, let's see. You were pretty close. You ended really close. Nice. All right, hole 3, so this is gonna be interesting. The hole is right on the other side of that hump. The thing is, the water is beginning to overflow from the little pool right here. So we got water we gotta put through right here, and that could slow it down trying to go up that hill. I don't know, we'll see. Made it. Not bad. I just noticed it does kind of like U-shape in the middle there, I guess, to aim it at the hole. Oh, it hopped on the hole. Oh.
Darn it.
Okay. If you do end up hitting wrong, you could end up in a little drop down where those little crates are. I just want to make it down there close to the hole. That's all I'm asking for. I made it down there. I got half of it.
Right
oh, I
over.
hit it. Not a bad spot though. No. Okay. Nice 2. Big hill to putt it up. Oh, there's no man's land.
Oh, darn. I didn't realize that.
I did not notice that.
Well, there it is.
Thank you for finding it. I don't know how you're not supposed to go in that.
Not do what I did.
Try going really wide. Oh, nope, I'm going down. Hello.
Thank you for not leaving me alone.
Oh, I did not think I was gonna make it out.
God.
Oh, there's fire that comes out of that. It's a hot day for that, but I did not know that ran.
I could feel the heat off of that, and it about gave me a heart attack.
Oh, that's gonna be a weird angle to try to putt this. I'm gonna have to like drag it. Oh. Okay, 3 first both. Okay, we got more no man's land down there on that right side. Try curving it wide. Oh no. Oh well. Oh, wow.
Hit the hole.
It's like it hit it and popped it out. I have no I have no clue where this is gonna end up. I was gonna have to drag it because it was rolling back. At least it stayed up here. Please don't miss. Okay. Yeah, not a lot of options there.
Not when you're up against the wall either.
Okay, there we go. You're through. You're up there. That's what matters.
Oh,
Oh,
well, this
Oh,
could go
no.
bad.
oh no.
Yeah. Okay.
You committed now?
Yep.
Wow, that actually
That
got
was
really
so
close.
close. Can you sit there? Sit.
There you go.
I will say I'm pretty proud of that shot coming up.
That was good. But now I'm nervous seeing yours missing all the way back down. Okay, you saw how light I hit that, right?
Yes, I did.
Please. Please. Oh, it's not going to.
And bye, Felicia.
There she goes. And there's the pyro. It is loud. You can't hear on the mics. It is very loud when that goes off. Well, let's try what, if I can do what you did, that'd be fantastic. Yeah, it's leaning so much. Oh, I'm scared again. Oh, okay, we both got a 4. Up the double hump. Woo. Oh, that might not even make it up. I honestly did not think it was gonna make it up there. Whee! Uh-oh. You boot me just a little bit. Oh my gosh.
Bootsy.
I have the curse right now. Bring it around town, girl. That works?
Not too shabby there.
That really works. T-Rex approves. He's clapping, but his arms are too short. Send it. And you had a really good spot. It's not my game. Hope y'all vote for Team Elisha in the comments. Because Team Brooks, I'm sorry, I'm letting y'all down right now. So you could try to go right and around the rock. I don't know if it's worth it. Woo, there goes Pyro again. But I think I'm gonna try and see if it bounces well off the bricks. I hope I don't regret this. Okay, that's exactly what I was hoping for. Because I knew with the angle of the bricks, it would send it back at least towards the hole.
That is not what I was planning.
What are you trying?
To just clear the rock, not hit it.
Oh. I got a 2 again, it feels good. There we go. We do have some no man's land down there on that left side.
Ooh-wee.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Give it a bounce. Hey, that's not bad for either one of us.
No.
Nice. That hump there, I have no clue where this is gonna go. So, I'm gonna do something weird instead.
Let's see if you're thinking what I'm thinking.
Like hit that to get the angle.
It's kind of what I was thinking.
Kind of. It wasn't exactly what I was going for either though. Oh,
That's what I was thinking.
that was good. I thought I was gonna go around.
No.
Like that, I understand. All right, 13, we gotta jump it over the water. We got T-Rex mad up here eating somebody because there's his boot. The volcano's going off behind us. There's a lot going on right now.
Okay. You hit the hole.
That's one of the very few times I'll take the fact that it hopped instead of shot back. I don't know how you'd hit it light enough to not go in the water, but not go too fast to jump out of the hole. Ah! I done been booped. Oh.
Uh-huh.
No, oh my God, what?
Been there.
Again, Team Brooks, I'm sorry, I'm letting y'all down. 4. All right, bring it around. I just whacked him, we'll see where it goes. Hey, I'm not on the wall, I'm happy. We'll make it down? There it goes. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Please.
Wow.
That went from being bad to really good.
Really fast. Nice.
Yes.
I have that curse today. I'm on that 3 train with it.
That was me yesterday.
Ooh.
But that's a bad one.
Where's that gonna end up? You barely caught the edge of that.
Well, at least I moved away from not being behind the rock.
This is true. I think after seeing yours, I'm gonna try going around the right side and just hope I don't get a bad bounce off the bricks. Oh, no. Oh.
Oh, wow.
I really thought I was gonna roll on the other side of that
Yeah,
rock.
I thought you were gonna go where mine was.
I thought I was gonna be in trouble. Nice, you rode that really well. All right, for 16s, we have the angry volcano going off back over there. And here, we got a little one. It actually is almost like a double though. If you look, it kind of goes up, slopes down, and then goes up again for the hole. So this could be interesting. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Well.
I might be doing the same thing.
Oh.
I wish you would have stopped.
And the bad thing for yours is now.
I can roll back.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no real forgiveness there at all. I knew that was too hard when I hit it. Are we playing this out?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. You have no idea how light I was playing that. Sit. Please. How far are we gonna go? Okay. Please.
Oh.
Oh, I'm up there. I'm on it. That's how you guys know it's not leaning in, it's leaning up.
Should hit
Because I'm gonna
that.
play it so safe.
I actually didn't mean to hit it that light. I felt like I couldn't hit it any harder from the wall.
Oh no.
Come on, here we go.
Yeah, and the thing is, when you look at it from this angle, it's leaning. It's got more of a lip on the back side than the front side for just to roll straight off.
Ah.
Like that.
Keep count, because I'm not.
This is 6. So can you theoretically get a hole-in-one from start? Oh my gosh. Give her some credit and some love in the comments for that. I mean, that's good if anything.
I'm retiring.
That's the hole in
Going home.
6 right there. Hey, the dinosaur above you approves. Well, for 17, we have 3 holes up here. I don't know which one's the one to go for. I guess we'll find out. Is it number 1?
That one went right in.
It might actually be. That was really close.
That wasn't bad.
Like, that one looked good, but I'm just going to hit it and see where it ends up.
Well, I wasn't trying to go for the one I went for. It just kind of happened.
I guess it really depends for those two at least, just where it bounces, because mine got good coming back and yours was really close going at it. Nice.
Okay, that went a lot better.
Well, last hole. I'm gonna try curving it around. Kind of graze it by. That's probably not much different than just going straight for it. Wow, very close. I was playing it so safe there. 3 to finish. There we go. That was a good time.
Yes, after I had time to think, and I think I will continue my mini golf.
Woo! That's good news to everybody right there. Mini golf career is continuing. I'm actually really curious. You ready for the scores?
Yeah.
So, you had 49. I had 51. So you won by 2. So that was
I
actually.
probably did just about as bad.
That was a really close game. Well, guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. Good job. Actually, and also there's a cat right there.
Kitty.
Hello. Well, guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you are new around here, though, consider subscribing and click on that bell to turn notifications. But thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you all very soon in the next one. Bye.
Bye.